Look, if you're running an OpenCart store right now and you don't have a dedicated mobile app, you are literally leaving money on the table. It's time to fix that.
Okay, let's dive into this. Over 70%. That is the amount of e-commerce traffic that is entirely mobile these days. I mean, think about it. Your customers are holding their phones right this second, making buying decisions.
So you have to ask yourself, is your mobile site actively losing you sales? Because honestly, there is a massive gap between a site that's just mobile-friendly and a frictionless mobile experience that actually gets people to hit that buy button.
Let's be real. Mobile browsers means slow load times, you've got that clunky browser bar in the way, and absolutely zero push notifications. But a native app, it sits right there on their home screen, it's lightning fast, and it lets you proactively reach out to your buyers.
Moving on to Section 1, what conversion actually means.
Now, a lot of people panic here, but converting absolutely does not mean rebuilding from scratch. It just means creating a native mobile application that hooks directly into your existing OpenCart store using a live API sync. Your data stays completely safe.
Now, what's really interesting about this slide is this analogy. Think of your OpenCart admin panel as a commercial kitchen. That's where all the hard work and cooking happens. The native app? Well, that's just a brand new, stunning dining room for your customers to enjoy.
So what stays the same? Your admin panel, your inventory, your order management, the whole back-end shebang. But what gets better? Literally the things that drive revenue. Your mobile load speed, the overall user experience, and those all-important repeat purchase rates.
Next up, Section 2, the custom extensions question.
This is the absolute elephant in the room. It's the anxiety-inducing question keeping developers up at night. Will my custom shipping calculators or loyalty programs totally break if I convert to an app?
Well, you can breathe a sigh of relief, because the short answer is no. Your server-side extensions will just keep humming along in the background. The app basically calls your store via the API, processes everything, and securely sends the results right back.
There is a small caveat, though. Really heavy front-end features, like those custom JavaScript pop-ups, inline widgets, or third-party iframes, they won't just magically copy over. But a solid app builder is going to recreate those natively or properly connect them via API endpoints anyway.
All right, Section 3, the conversion process.
So how does it actually work? First, you connect your OpenCart store via API. And yes, that requires zero code editing. Second, you design and customize the look of the app. And third, you configure your push notifications.
So, the crucial point is this. Push notifications are your biggest win for driving immediate revenue. We're talking abandoned cart reminders, flash sale alerts, restock updates, bam, right there on your customer's lock screen, where they absolutely can't miss it. Moving on to step 4, you test everything out thoroughly. 5, you submit to the App Store and Google Play, and by the way, a proper service will completely handle all those complex submission guidelines for you. And finally, step 6, you launch and promote it to your loyal customers.
Let's check out Section 4, Native App versus Web Wrapper.
Listen, whatever you do, please do not fall for a cheap web wrapper. That's basically just stuffing your mobile website inside a fake app shell. It's slow and clunky. True native apps, on the other hand, use real native UI components and live API syncing so they feel lightning fast.
Which brings us to Section 5, Real Benefits and Costs.
So what's the actual ROI here? We are looking at higher average order values, significantly reduced cart abandonment, a direct, unfiltered marketing channel to your buyers, and quite frankly, a massive competitive edge over any rivals who are still stuck relying on mobile browsers.
And this brilliantly illustrates the cost breakdown. A custom agency build? Way over 15 grand. Total overkill for most. Basic app builder platforms? Cheap, sure, but you're stuck with clunky templates. Then you have OpenCart-specific services, like App of Web, sitting right in the sweet spot. You get a true native app with proper API integration for a fraction of the cost.
Almost done here. Section 6, Common Mistakes to Avoid.
Just a quick heads up on some traps to avoid. Don't choose the absolute cheapest web wrapper option. Don't forget to test your extensions. Do not ignore those strict App Store guidelines. And please, don't just treat the app as a set-it-and-forget-it tool. You have to actually use those push notifications.
You know, you can bypass all of these headaches entirely. Visit appofweb.com and convert your website to mobile app today. Seriously, they handle all the complex OpenCart API work, so you don't have to deal with any of the technical stress.
So the kitchen is built and the orders are flowing. Are you ready to give your customers the beautiful, native mobile dining room they actually deserve? Thanks so much for joining this explainer, and we will catch you next time.